Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to make center. Okay, so for that we will be needing our stocking wire, very small, our pollens, whatever color you like it. Okay, I'm going to use my pink color. Okay, so and one small bead is you can take according to your choice. For the big flower you can take big, and for the smaller flower you can take small. So I am going to tell you now what to do. Okay, you have to take your wire and you will insert in it, and after that you will just twist like this. Okay, so see, our bead is ready. Okay, now what we have to do, I am going to put some glue. Okay, I am going to put some glue on. If you have the Fevicol, you can use the Fevicol. If you have the fabrical glue, you can use that one also, but I would suggest you just take little bit thick glue for this. Okay, because it's very important that your small beads should be perfect stick. Okay, on this. So this is why I'm going to tell you how to do that. So we have covered whole beads with our glue. Okay, these are my glitter ball. This is a sparkle glitter ball. Okay, so you can actually these are available in the market for the especially designed for the flowers. Okay, so now what you have to do, firstly you have to just drop the few okay, and after that just see where it's did not came, and after that from your hand where your ball is not reach, just make sure all the things are and you have to just push like this. Okay, so now guys, as you know that I am just inserting all my beads. Okay, like this you have to cover all the part. Okay, you will get tired for this, but it's okay. So but for the center you have to work little bit hard, because when it will come to dry you will just see the maze that how the beautifully has came. Okay, so you have to cover all the parts with the glue. Okay, I am just placing all around. Okay, you can just place it. Okay, see. Okay, and after that rest of the part also I will cover it. Okay, once it will dry I'll back. You can see now our center part is done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take our pollens. Okay, and just wrap it in thread. Okay, and yes, okay, like this. And now for your beaded pollen, what you will do, you will just insert this wire. See, it is came. There are many types of method, okay. So as you can see, you can choose according to your choice, okay. Now our center is done, okay. So you ready. Now I am going to tell you how to apply glitter, okay. So we have iCraft arty balls, okay. I am going to show you. It gives very, you know, snow type of look of your flower. So this is, I have, and this is the rainbow glitter from Dress My Craft, okay. So firstly, and now I am going to tell you how to apply it. And we will be needing our brush, and our Fevicol, okay guys. If you have Fevicol, most of the person have the Fevicol, you can go with the same. If you have the glossy accent, but that is one is very costly for the normal people, so you can go with the work of Fevicol, okay. So what you will be needing, you have to just take out few drops of Fevicol, okay. And after that, I am just spraying few drops of water, okay. And then from my brush I will just mix it. Okay, and now I will just apply on the petals where you want to apply. Like so we have done it, okay. After that, I will be needing my tissue paper, okay. And I will just apply my rainbow glitter from my finger. Rainbow glitter is the quantity of depend on you. We don't want that much, it's okay. So we have done it. See how it's beautifully coming, okay. You can apply the few drops over here. See, okay. And now our arty balls. For that, what you will do, you will just excuse me guys, you will just apply your snow. So you have to apply according to your choice, and after applying, just dip in the bottle. See, if you want more, then you can put some more, okay. See, but firstly you have to do the favicol. Okay, so you have to apply this kind of glitter, all the arty balls on your all flowers. Okay, so in our next video I will tell you the necklace formation. Okay.